So our next topic is how to code attributes. In this video, we will learn how to use attributes to give more meaning to HTML tags. So what are attributes? Attributes define additional characteristics or properties of the element such as width and height of an image. Attributes are always specified in the start tag or opening tag and usually consist of name-value pairs like name equals to value. Attribute values should always be enclosed in quotation marks. Also, some attributes are required for certain elements. For instance, over here, an image tag must contain a source and alt attributes. So alt attribute is used by people with visual disabilities. People with visual disabilities use screen readers. So what alt tag does is that it gives you an idea of what the image is about. So basically in the alt tag we have to include a short description of the image. In this example, source inside the image tag is an attribute and the image path provided is its value. Similarly, href inside the anchor tag over here is the name of the attribute and the link provided is its value. Both single and double quotes can be used to quote attribute values. However, double quotes are most common. In situations where attribute value itself contains double quotes, it is necessary to wrap the value in single quotes. There are several attributes in HTML5 that do not consist of name or value pairs but consist of just name. Such attributes are called Boolean attributes. Examples of some commonly used Boolean attributes are checked, disabled, required, etc. Attribute values are generally case insensitive except certain attribute values like the ID and class attributes. However, World Wide Web Consortium W3C recommends lowercase for attribute values in their specification. Then we have general purpose attributes. There are some attributes such as ID, title, class, style that you can use on the majority of HTML elements. I have included all these attributes in this example, that is ID attribute, class attribute, style attribute and title attribute over here. So first let's understand about ID and class attribute. So I've included a CSS file in this HTML document. Now do not worry if you don't know how to link a CSS file to the HTML document or if you don't know how to use these attributes in a CSS file. We will learn about this in CSS tutorial. Right now this is just to give you an idea how ID and class attributes work. So in the CSS file, I have written the value of the ID attribute and value of the class attribute. For ID we use hashtag and for class we use dot. So the basic difference between ID and class is that IDs are unique. Each element can have only one ID. Each page can have only one element with that ID. And classes are not unique. You can use the same class on multiple elements. You can use multiple classes on the same element. Right now I have included only one class and the value of that class is paragraph 3. So for this paragraph I am using attribute ID and the value of that attribute is paragraph 2, and for the next paragraph I am using attribute class and the value of that paragraph attribute is paragraph 3, and I have styled both those attributes. For ID attribute I have given color green and for class attribute I have given color red, and this is how it looks on the browser. So this paragraph is to demonstrate ID attribute and this paragraph is to demonstrate class attribute. So the next attribute we have is the title attribute over here. which I have included in the anchor tag. So the title attribute is used to provide advisory text about an element or its content. So if I go to the browser and I view this page, over here you can see the word smiley, so it is a link, and when I hover over this link, it will tell me to click on this word to open this link. So this is done by the title attribute, and when I click on this word smiley, it will take me to this link. Fine. So first we have the anchor tag, then we have the href attribute, and its value is the link, and to that link we have given the word smiley, and we have included title attribute, and it gives the message click to open this link. Lastly, we have the style attribute over here. Style attribute allows you to specify CSS styling rules such as color, font, border, etc. directly within the element. So on the browser, I have included the style attribute in this paragraph, and it says to demonstrate style attribute. And I have given the color pink, and this is the value of this style attribute. On the browser it looks like this over here, to demonstrate style attribute. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.